Are you certain you want to do this?
For this.
Are you sure? Or is it because I'm traveling?
I want us to share something very special before you leave. Something that will bind us together.
Are you here with me? Did you hear what I just said? It isn't all there though. There are things you can do to enhance your chances.
Come back for me soon. Don't leave me here all alone.
Definitely. You know you're my #1 priority. Just finish your degree first, alright?
I miss you already.
Like I said, a lot can be done physiologically or biologically to reset things. The toughest battle, though, will be with you.
Hello? Is that Dr. James?
Even in rainy days. Good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be palava, it no be wahala. Yeah, bye, 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 bye. Solutions, Bram and Koda.
God in heaven and all other gods, I've prayed to you. The one who is really, really God should show himself strong today. Let everybody come to my shop and buy all my fruits today. The one who is really, really good, show yourself strong today. Maybe.
Hello, madam.
Yes.
I want to buy water, pure water.
How much?
20 pesos, please.
Go and tell them that you did not find me.
What?
Those who sent you to infest me with your bad luck and poverty. Okay. Tell them you did not find me. Tell them that when you came, my shop is closed. Hey.
But,
Hey, but what? I just opened my shop and the first person who is coming to buy from me is bringing bad luck and poverty. My friend, get out from here.
Oh.
First, call better at 20 pesos.
Oh, madam.
Hey, bad luck. First, where you may hammer do not power.
Hello, I'm buying pure water.
Take it and bring the money. You don't have manners, eh? You don't have manners. How can you come and buy something worth 20 pesos and then bring 50 Ghana cedis? So will I get change for you? Is this place Bank of Ghana? Go, next year then you come for your change.
Oh, madam.
Phew. If everybody comes here to buy a thing worth 20 pesos and gives me 50 Ghana cedis, so will I get change for you?
But this is all I have on me.
Go, come
okay.
back next year.
Give me pineapple.
This one is 5 cedi. That one is 2 cedi. And don't tell me to peel it. Don't have time.
Then how do I peel it?
Are you asking me?
Okay, you give me one.
I love this job, Belinda. The thought of all the goodies I get to take home makes me salivate.
Don't worry, I'll make sure you get a very special basket when I'm done.
Wow, axe, and you sure receive.
Guys. Can we break for lunch now, please? All of this talk about food has made me hungry.
I'm sure it's going to be after this anyway. But hey, thanks. This presentation is as a result of my 8 weeks training with you guys. I mean, the most important objective is to make sure we streamline our operations, reduce costs, recreate the brand, and actually increase our customer base. Most importantly, sell into the outside world. But of course, all these things are going to be crystallized into the business plan. Now the question is, who am I? Why am I selling shito for a living? For 10 years, I was employed as the marketing manager for a multinational company into foods and beverages. So, for first hand, I saw how food can be processed and sold and millions made out of it. I have actually been an entrepreneur at heart. I mean, way back in the university, I was making yogurt and selling them as well. Oh yes, so I know what I'm talking about. Now, the idea of shito hit me like 5 years ago when I went to London for a short course. So, to cut your cost down, you just carry a big bottle of shito alongside your fancy cake, your gari. You guys know what I'm talking about. So one weekend I decided to invite my friends over, my colleagues. I'm talking about cosmopolitan friends, all races. Germans, Jamaicans, Indian. There was an Indian guy and one Asian Chinese girl kind of thing. We had the Black Americans and the Nigerians were actually also part. So they all came over. And we boiled some rice, grilled some chicken, some kinky, and the Nigerian especially wanted the gari. So yeah, can I have some shito? Yeah. Oh yeah, some small shito. The German guy, oh, how did he say? I just like, remember, but yeah. I mean, shito after shito, and within a twinkle of an eye, my dear shito got finished. Oh yes, they kept asking for more, but I couldn't provide. So next day, I hit downtown, feverishly looking for shito, roaming the streets of London looking for shito. Then I got to Brixton, and luckily for me, one bottle in pounds. Can you imagine? I was buying shito in pounds. So naturally, as a Ghanaian, I just did the conversion. I'm like, gee, That was the day I respected Shito. Hey!
Adana umie anasa. Makacha osenia man oba na obeto emie anasa. Umie anasa obi aba na ye ba lock na wo de ba lock kan. Na wo say.
It's me kwana.
But o kwase.
Where your higher say?
O higher 300.
300. O de mami low cost. Say.
No, I 150.
150. Where I got 2 days now ye. Mema 50.
Pacho 150 with your mama.
Aha, me so mema 50 because we there 2 days so fine. Mema 50.
Me so fine 100.
Mema 50 auntie see.
What your mama can.
No I mean. Can didn't mama na me. Me person ya meja hakọ na dey ego obi beto.
Na we obi ntu aka woto.
Auntie see jai me na me dey me kwakoye. O pesa.
O dey baller na o pe.
O pe to kwadedo.
Na na customer yotisa. Oba kutu papa honompe mpre nope.
Hey. Na o check me customer. Me nyane me kwade sa wo. Ni oso ope no. Ene na meton ama no. Ebi se me mani nsi wo na nyam proye na me nkotu mu. Enye bola.
Mami, mpacho eyi o ye.
Eye twa so.
Hey.
Me customer.
Mami mpacho wan.
Enkoko nse.
Eye.
Obi beto ma de me customer me nse.
Mami me ka ba ko pe. Eye.
Ene etwa so. Proye na ya wasa.
Na nwa woto na ababa ni amade. Wo brankasa. Obegwama akutum proye na oto. Nyama propro kutum proye.
Eba. Solutions eba.
So clearly, Shito has an export potential. I mean, Ghana made Shito. But then again, let's look at our local market, our domestic areas. We all know that Shito is like a staple food for all the students in the boarding houses. Last time I checked, I counted over 2 million students, and they are still increasing. We shouldn't also forget about the average working class. People who work a lot and they don't have time to cook. They have Shito in their homes too. Now, to ascertain the fact that people would like to buy Shito from the supermarket as opposed to making it in the house, I had to do a survey. So I chose 9 schools. 3 from the Greater Accra region, 3 from the Central region, and 3 from the Ashanti region. Of course, I took the endowment factors and the socioeconomic factors into consideration. I had a sample size of 1,800. And man, the results were telling. Over 80% of students bought Shito from the supermarkets. Oh yes. When you look carefully at the text, I've made a detailed methodology of it so you can see how the process went. So now, having clearly defined the fact that we need Shito, I had to look at the supply side.
Very good.
Thank you. But the supply side is a clutter. We have different players, varying sizes, varying tastes, and stuff like that. So I have to take my time, study the Shito market carefully. So then I decided, hit towards the top notch because that's where the Shito tastes good. That's where the packaging is also good for the outside market. And most importantly, I took that side because the number of companies were few, just about 3. And I realized that there could be a niche there. I need to hit hard. So now you guys know, 3 years I've been producing and selling shito. Yes, I have made turnovers. But what I am suffering from is the high cost of the credit. Unfortunately, sometimes they are very short and terminal in nature. So what I really need is a long-term funding. I don't mind if it comes in equity or debt, but the interest rate must be very low. So ladies and gentlemen, please, what I'm asking for is $500,000. $500,000. Of course, it will help me upgrade. I will upscale. I will expand my kitchen. I will have enough for operating capital and stuff like that. I can actually buy in bulk. Please. When you look at the financial statement, it speaks for itself. This has potential to triple our revenue. My revenue. I mean, our revenue. You know what I'm talking about. And actually, in the next 3 years, I can double my profit. For now, I'm employing only 15 to 20 people. This 500,000 will help me create jobs. I can expand it to like 50. So please, look at it. Make your inputs and give me your suggestions, and let's make Ijapashito sell.
Obi medimio, bedimija. Obi medimio, bedimija. Obi medimio, bedimija. Obi medimio, bedimija.
Wow. I would love some of these oranges. They look really good.
How much, please?
I like them fresh, so just about 10 to squeeze will do.
Okay. Here, 7 CDs.
What are those?
Anka.
I like them fresh, big and juicy, just like these ones.
Hey, Fatuo. So Biaba no didn't say, Madam, they're the same thing. 7 CDs. Take and give my money.
You're certainly not going to force me to buy these. I'm not paying for them. These are sickly. Look.
Do I look like I'm joking? Do I look like a joker? Era, pay me my money. What?
Mensah.
You want to fight Karat?
I have a black belt if you care to know.
Mensah, what is this?
She doesn't want to pay me my money.
For these oranges?
Yes!
Yes, I told her I'm not buying them anymore.
Mensah, why don't you just collect them back?
Jaisa.
Customer.
Madam, you have to pay.
Excuse me. You're so uncouth. Thank you very much, gentlemen. You're so uncouth.
Oh, customer didn't know, yes, sir. One more down for the year. So is here. So wonder what they are. Yay.
Pharmacy come, mommy.
Eh?
Joe 7 CDs so better.
I don't mean they mean better.
So mama me call pharmacy come, mommy 7 CDs. Joe.
Very good. So you intend to compete at the top. How do you intend to differentiate yourself from your competitors? How do you want to make the public purchase your products instead of your competitors?
Well, fortunately for me, we are a few. So I've tasted their brands, I've had a look at it. And some of them, only 3, some of them, when you taste, it's a bit sour in your mouth. You need to use fresh shrimp. Fresh. When you use the shrimps fresh like that, trust me, the taste is different. And when you go to some of the supermarkets, look at the shito stand, you have like 60% oil, 40% shito. I mean, how? We didn't go to buy oil. And I'm going to use the finest of oil. I mean, the sunflower kind of very light oil. And so also. And when you look at the packaging too, comes easy to open. Just flip it open. You don't need some tight container. You just, it's not even working, okay? So something beautiful. And also, most importantly, working with the Helpstation. You guys know it all. You give the best advices, best business tips and stuff like that. And I need you. So with you in my boat, I'm sure I'm going to make it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Solutions,
really enjoyed the presentation, you know. All right, good. Thank you, Mr. Mensah, for the presentation. It was very well done. We are going to review your business plan to make sure it's in top shape so that it will be ready for matchmaking and investor pitches. I believe you make a very solid case, and I promise you're going to hear from us within a week.
Oh, that is splendid. Thank you, Ellen.
They're very nice and very efficient.
Yes.
Friendly and efficient.
You're always welcome. Don't forget you are the help station.
Okay. Well, thank you, Ellen. I'll talk to you again soon.
All right. Goodbye, guys.
Okay. These guys are very friendly and very efficient.
Look, customer service is the name, and that is why I do business with them. They go the extra mile to make sure you're comfortable. And look, they are on top of the game too, and very well connected. Mr. Mensah, Premium Bank is the bank to do business with if you're an SME.
Oh.
That's the wife checking on progress.
You're a very lucky man, huh? That woman is an angel.
She's a gift from God.
Dear God, forgive me, for I have sinned. I know I'm not worthy, but please, give me another chance. I've really learned my lesson. Please, one more chance, please. One more chance. That's all I ask. One more chance, please.
Sorry, Mom.
That's okay. I was just having a moment. What is it?
The World Bank officials are in.
Oh, okay. I'll be with them shortly.
Okay, thank you.